Welcome to this code walkthrough where we will be customizing ESLint rules for a NextJS application. We begin by creating a ESLint.js file, where we will export our module. This file is where all our custom ESLint configuration will live. Here we have our rules object, where we will define all our rule customizations that enforce code quality standards for our project. Let's start with the no unused vars rule. This rule is customized to throw an error when it detects variables that are declared but not used. However, we're adding an exception here. Variables starting with an underscore will be ignored. This is useful for function parameters that are not used but are required for the signature. Next, we have the ekekek rule. By setting this rule to error with the option always, we enforce the use of strict equality operators, that is, triple equals instead of double equals. This avoids type coercion errors and promotes safer comparison practices. Lastly, we have the no console rule. The setting for this rule is environment dependent. In a production environment, console.log statements are errors, except for console, warn, and console error, which are allowed for error reporting. On the other hand, in a development environment, all console statements are permitted, as they are useful for debugging. That concludes our custom ESLint rules for improving code quality. By adjusting these rules, developers are notified about potential issues before the code makes it to production, maintaining a high code quality standard.